guys, IrwinTech here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install VirtualBox on your Chromebook. So I hope you guys enjoy. 39 subscribers, one more subscriber till we hit 40. So make sure to smash that subscribe button. Then for a shout out, comment down below you subscribed and you'll get a shout out in my next video. And yeah, thank you guys for all the support. Almost 40 subscribers. Smash that subscribe button. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so once you're at their website, first link in the description below, it'll take you to the VirtualBox downloading. So what you want to do is, there's a ton of downloads here guys. You don't know which one to click. I'm going to tell you the right one to click. You don't click any of these. Click Debian 10. Debian 10. Click on that and it's going to go ahead and download to your computer. I already have this file on my computer. So once it's downloaded, it'll be in your downloads and it'll say VirtualBox. And for trackpad, you want to double click, and for a mouse, you want to right click, and it'll say install with Linux beta. You click that, and then once it's loaded its information, and then you can click OK, install. And this is going to go ahead and install VirtualBox on your Chromebook. So this process is going to take a while, so I'm going to be back when it's fully downloaded. Alright guys, so once it's fully downloaded, it will say app is available on your terminal. There also may be icon on your launcher. You know the drill. You go up here, you'll go down to your Linux apps, and then you'll see this Oracle virtual machine, and then you can go ahead and launch it whenever time you want to use it. And yeah, that's basically all there is for VirtualBox. Yeah, you can do import a machine. You can import you can import Windows onto here for VirtualBox. You can run Windows, which is really cool. You can run whatever you want. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also, subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below you subscribed and you'll get a shout out in my next video. Almost close to 40 subscribers. Can we hit it? Can you be my 40th subscriber? And yeah, hope you have fun enjoying VirtualBox, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.